On the 9th of April 2020, ASIC announced in its media release 20-084 that it plans to extend the reporting deadlines for unlisted entities that are required to lodge financial statements under Chapters 2M and Chapter 7 of the Corporations Act. This extension relates only to unlisted entities that have balance dates ending on the 31st of December 2019 through to the 31st of March 2020. The extension has been granted in order to assist entities whose reporting processes might take an additional time due to current remote working arrangements, to travel restrictions, or to other impacts of COVID-19. In its media release, ASIC notes the following key points regarding the extensions. Where possible, entities should continue to lodge within statutory deadlines. The extended deadlines will not apply for 31 December 2019 balance dates if the reporting deadline has already passed. And ASIC will also continue to assess the impact of financial reporting and annual general meeting obligations for balance dates after the 31st of March 2020, in particular for 30 June 2020 year ends. For further information on lodgement deadlines for different types of unlisted entities under the Corporations Act and the extended deadlines, please refer to our newsletter article. While grandfathered large proprietary companies are not required to lodge financial statements with ASIC, they are still required to have an audit report completed within 4 months after the reporting date. The media release confirms that these entities will also have an additional month to complete their audit, but their director's report must disclose that the entity has applied ASIC relief to report to members no later than 1 month after the normal reporting deadline. ASIC is closely monitoring how COVID-19 developments may impact the financial reporting responsibilities of listed entities, and it notes that there does not appear to be widespread implications for the small number of listed entities that have 31 March 2020 annual or half-year end balance dates. So at this stage, it is not decided to provide any across-the-board lodgement extensions for such entities. However, ASIC notes that it will consider applications to extend reporting deadlines for individual entities in appropriate circumstances. Where possible, applications should be made at least 14 days before the normal reporting deadline, and it should include sufficient information for ASIC to assess the impacts of market conditions and COVID-19 developments.